Well, it's almost here. The long-awaited, over 2 years in the waiting and making, is almost here. I want you to know that I was only able to make 15 gold and 15 silver, and it just so happens that we have 700 people on the wait list. And you happen to be on my personal VIP list that I am being super careful as to who I make this available to. If you go on the website today, it's just a wait list. And I'm going down the list slowly, because I know that by the time it gets here, it's all going to be sold out. At this moment, I'm reaching out to you to say, if you would like one of these candles, this beautiful elephant candle, not Buddha, I'm so used to saying Buddha, you would have to actually place your order now. You have to choose between silver or gold, and please respond to this email by saying silver or gold, and you don't have to pick the fragrance today, because what I'm doing is taking pre-orders. Pre-orders means you pay for it now, you hold your spot, and whoever doesn't get theirs, unfortunately, they don't react in time. And I understand the economy is tough right now. Maybe for some people, it's not the right time. For other people, it is. It's all good. I totally understand it. I am super sensitive about it, as you know. But I'm asking you, if you do want it, please respond back. Let me know so I can take care of you. The way it's going to work is when you respond back and you say silver, automatically I am going to send you an invoice with a payment link. And of course, you know that I do payment plans as well on Afterpay or something like that. So you have the option. So by the time it gets here, which is about 65 days, 75 days, God knows, definitely within the 90 days, it's going to be here, I think. But not anytime after that, because the world is unpredictable these days. So within the next 60 days or 70 days or 80 days, we're getting it. And if you would like yours, silver or gold, respond back with silver or gold. And if you happen to know the fragrance, even better, I'll make the fragrance selection for you. And then you will pay it. And this way, it's held. So I'm doing this out of love to my entire VIP group who have shown interest because you are on the wait list. You've chosen to be on my wait list for this particular elephant. So this is your chance. If you're going to pass, type back, I pass. And I understand. Thank you. Always with love.